So let's go to our next option, SEO and Permalink setup. And this feature is for SEO configuration. It works when you enable your query link with query string or with permalink as our URL selected with AJAX. That's why there is no SEO option. To enable this section, we need to go back to font manage, and here we need to go with query string. Let's click save changes. Let's go to our SEO and permalink setup. Here you can see SEO configuration, use attribute type in permalinks, which is now enabled. Here you can add permalink prefix as you want, and there is more option, enable SEO. You can choose meta tag as you want. Click save changes. Now I'll show you how this permalink prefix will appear. So we have used here for category kata, and for tags we have used tags. So let's go to our shop page and reload the page. Here we'll filter with category. Let's filter with desktop and see the URL is coming with prefix kata. Or if you filter with tags, see the tags is coming as we have added prefix here. That's how it works. So, and there is more option which you can get in your pro version. They are based for SEO.